Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract Rar and Zip archives on Samsung Galaxy F14. And to do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find app called Rar, it's RAR. Hit the install button. When it's ready, you'll be able to open it. Grant it all file access. Go back. Allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here, the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.